He walks in this motherfucker. I'm asleep. Because I ain't smoked no weed in goddamn 9 months. So this goddamn cigar, that shit better than weed.
Yeah.
And the only thing that saved me, he thought that shit was so funny that he wouldn't fuck with me.
Right.
I'm in that motherfucker. I'm sitting, I'm smoking, my feet on his desk.
And he like, look at this little motherfucker. And he done fucked himself up.
I think I was 20 years old. Wow.
You too. Be quiet, Rajan. Rajan, don't blow it. Alright, be quiet. Rajan, as long as you don't say nothing.
Y'all gonna have to pay into his disability though. Cause y'all personified.
Keep it on there. That's the goddamn. Oh,
you
take your phone
You gotta get the sound. Where your phone at?
Caitlin, don't take the phone off. We gotta get a whole episode.
We need pictures too. Where your phone at?
Caitlin, don't take it off. He gonna get a big episode in a minute.
You ain't got no money. You ain't got no money.
I can tell when he like, he wasn't getting over the air.
Her daddy got it.
Her daddy got it.
Her daddy got it. I'm talking about Caitlin's daddy. You know Kevin. That's it.
Oh, okay.
That nigga at home with his mask on now. If he was sitting here, he'd be doing the same thing. That nigga got his mask on looking like a fighter pilot.
I was feeling like, that's it,
hey,
man. I can see
that, hey, there it goes. Hey, I was fucking with Kevin. Hey, that's that runaway train. Big
He got his kissing lips on too.
You want to kiss that shit? Hey, Snell, I'm gonna tell you some funny shit, right? Hey, I'm gonna tell you some funny shit. You know, Kevin started fucking.
Breathe. Be a good decent way, y'all.
No, don't. Let that nigga ride.
Be a good decent way, y'all.
That nigga gonna wake himself up in a minute as soon as that train jump the track.
I've been out here asleep too many times when y'all took advantage of me. They come up below.